HookahPro.com, your ultimate source for everything hookah. Find the latest tips and tricks, videos, reviews, contests, and more.
367 Studios presents. Today's video brought to you by MaharajaHookah.com.
Hey guys, this is Daniel Springs again. Today we've got a review for Guru, and that's going to be Guru's flavored shisha. It's going to be the Gumball Machine, and today we're going to be smoking it out of a Bala Guru pipe. It's a 29-inch Bala pipe, and I've got a vortex bowl loaded up, 2 coals on top. And it does put out a good amount of smoke, and it does have a good flavor. It's not a strong flavor, not an overwhelming flavor, but it is one that I'm definitely liking. Now, whenever you smell a shisha, you get a stronger smell than you do a flavor out of the smoke, and it kind of smells like a gumball machine if you were to smell a gumball machine, and that's pretty cool. I mean, they kind of hit it right on the head with that.
It also tastes sort of like a gumball. Not a big, strong flavor of gumball, but a little gumball flavor in it.
Now, I really like this Guru tobacco because the molasses that they put in here is not as runny. It's kind of like a water, but it's not as runny as some of the molasses is. I have some Al Fakr, and Al Fakr puts a lot of molasses in there, and if your tub spills, you get molasses all over the place. This is it's not like the cleanest, but it doesn't make a huge mess. And the smoke, it's good smoke. I really dig the flavor, and just like all the other Guru tobaccos, it's putting off good amount of smoke. Now, you can pick up your own tub of this stuff at www.maharajahookah.com. And I'm not sure about pricing. They're always changing pricing. They've got a lot of different deals going on. And that's where I've got this hookah from, was maharajahookah.com. It is a 29-inch, and it smokes really well. You got anything else you'd like to say about it?
Well, if you like chewing on gumballs, then this is the way you go. If you want to smoke the flavor.
All right, well, maharajahookah.com. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next.
Check out my YouTube channel. That's Daniel 8 Springs. There you can subscribe and comment on all my videos. Also, you can check out all the other videos I have to offer. That's Daniel 8 Springs on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Today's video was brought to you by www.maharajahookah.com. To find today's product, check it out on www.maharajahookah.com.